I wanted to show you this STANLEY tumbler. This is a 40-ounce, huge tumbler. This is like a purple. You can see here like a tie-dye look to it. It's got a nice big straw on top, as you can see here. This is a nice, large item. You can see it really holds quite a bit. Very, very popular right now. Very hard to come by. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's metal, as you can see here. It's metal. You can see it's got a nice big straw, a big opening on top here. This is just huge. It's a very, very nice item. Again, 40 ounces, 11 hours of cold, 2 days iced, and 7 hours of hot. That's what it's rated, as you can see here. And it's got a three position lid, and it's just, love the color of this. You can see how the color of this, it's got that big handle, big grip handle, so you can take it with you on the road. Easy to handle. Very large, again, holds around 40 ounces, 1.18 liters. I'll show you that right there. That's what it looks like, and this is the color. Like a purple tie-dye in this one. And I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a nice cold drink for a long time. This is the way to go.